Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we are going to go over top 10 best ways to make money. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over 10 individual best ways to make money. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Intro. In today's fast-paced world, finding effective ways to make money is more important than ever. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, save for a big purchase, or achieve financial freedom, there are countless opportunities out there. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 best ways to make money that can fit into your lifestyle and help you reach your financial goals. From innovative side hustles to smart investment strategies, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we dive into these exciting options that could transform your financial future. Number 10, participating in online surveys. While it may not yield a fortune, participating in online surveys offers a flexible way to earn extra cash from the comfort of your home. Companies are eager for consumer feedback, and they reward participants with gift cards or cash for their opinions. This method is accessible to anyone with an internet connection and requires minimal time commitment. However, compared to higher ranked options, the earnings can be relatively low and inconsistent. Still, it's a great starting point for those new to making money online, making it a solid entry at number 10. Number 9, blogging. Blogging is a creative outlet that can also generate income through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. With the potential to reach a global audience, it allows individuals to share their passions and expertise while building a personal brand. However, it requires consistent effort and time to grow an audience and monetize effectively, which can be challenging for beginners. Compared to higher ranked options, blogging demands more dedication and strategic planning, making it a slower path to profitability. Nonetheless, for those who enjoy writing and connecting with others, it offers a rewarding way to earn money over time. Number 8, YouTube content creation. YouTube content creation offers a dynamic platform for individuals to showcase their talents, share knowledge, and entertain audiences worldwide. With the potential for ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, successful creators can earn substantial income. However, building a channel requires significant time, creativity, and consistency, making it a challenging endeavor for newcomers. Unlike blogging, which relies heavily on written content, YouTube demands video production skills and engaging visuals. While it ranks lower than some options due to the steep learning curve and competition, it remains a powerful avenue for those passionate about video storytelling and audience engagement. Number 7, dropshipping. Dropshipping is an innovative retail fulfillment method that allows entrepreneurs to sell products without holding inventory. By partnering with suppliers, you can offer a wide range of products while minimizing upfront costs and risks. This model is particularly appealing for those looking to start an online business with limited capital. However, it ranks at number 7 due to challenges such as lower profit margins and reliance on suppliers for product quality and shipping. Compared to higher ranked options, dropshipping requires effective marketing strategies and customer service skills, making it a viable yet competitive choice for aspiring business owners. Number 6, creating digital products. Creating digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software offers a lucrative way to monetize your expertise and creativity. Once developed, these products can be sold repeatedly with minimal ongoing costs, making them a scalable income source. This method allows for flexibility in pricing and marketing strategies, appealing to a wide audience. However, It ranks at number 6 due to the initial time and effort required to create high quality content. Compared to higher ranked options, which may offer quicker returns, digital products require a solid understanding of your target market and effective promotion to succeed. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where individuals earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. This method allows you to leverage your online presence, whether through a blog, social media, or email marketing, to generate passive income. Its appeal lies in the low startup costs and the ability to work with a variety of brands. However, it ranks at number 5 due to the need for effective marketing skills and audience trust to drive conversions. Compared to higher ranked options, affiliate marketing requires ongoing effort to build relationships and optimize campaigns for maximum profitability. Number 4, freelancing. Freelancing offers the freedom to work on diverse projects while leveraging your skills in areas like writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing. This flexible work arrangement allows you to set your own rates and choose clients that align with your interests. It ranks at number 4 due to the potential for high earnings and the ability to build a personal brand. However, it requires strong self-discipline and the ability to manage multiple clients simultaneously. Compared to higher ranked options, freelancing demands more active engagement and time investment, but it provides a rewarding path for those seeking autonomy in their careers. Number 3, starting an online business. Starting an online business opens the door to limitless opportunities, allowing entrepreneurs to reach a global market with minimal overhead costs. This venture can take various forms, from e-commerce stores to service-based platforms, catering to diverse consumer needs. It ranks at number 3 due to its potential for significant profit margins and scalability. However, it requires a solid business plan, marketing strategies, and ongoing management to thrive. Compared to higher ranked options, starting an online business demands more initial investment in time and resources, but it offers the chance for substantial financial rewards and independence. Number 2, real estate investment. Real estate investment is a powerful wealth building strategy that involves purchasing properties to generate rental income or capital appreciation. This tangible asset class offers unique advantages such as tax benefits and the potential for long-term financial security. It ranks at number 2 due to its ability to provide passive income and hedge against inflation. However, it requires significant upfront capital and market knowledge to navigate effectively. Compared to the top-ranked option, real estate investment demands more hands-on management and research, but it can yield substantial returns and create lasting wealth for savvy investors. Number 1, investing in stocks. Investing in stocks is the top-ranked method for making money due to its potential for high returns and liquidity. By purchasing shares in companies, investors can benefit from capital appreciation and dividends, allowing for wealth accumulation over time. This method offers unparalleled access to a diverse range of industries and markets, making it suitable for various investment strategies. While it requires a solid understanding of market trends and risk management, the rewards can be substantial. Compared to real estate investment, stocks typically require less capital to start and offer greater flexibility, solidifying their position as the premier choice for aspiring investors. In conclusion, in this video we explored the top 10 best ways to make money, from participating in online surveys at number 10 to the lucrative world of investing in stocks at number 1. Each method offers unique opportunities and challenges, catering to different skills and interests. Whether you're considering freelancing, starting an online business, or diving into real estate, there's a path for everyone. We encourage you to delve deeper into these options and find the one that resonates with you. Remember, the journey to financial success begins with taking that first step. So start exploring today and unlock your earning potential. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.